Wow, that's very, very profound. So, you know, Edwin, there are so many young people out there. They have, you know, very good credentials, but they don't have the same opportunity. They wish they had the same opportunity as you. What would be your parting shot to them?
Well, I would say that it's about the dream, and also no job is too small for you, and nowhere is too small to start. I did not know I'd end up being here as an investment associate. When I was an intern, if I looked down on any position that I have held, it would have stopped me in my growth. So embrace change and embrace the little jobs. I would say that's where we all start, and that's how we get to the big jobs. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Edwin. It's been great to host you. You've had it. Be excellent, believe in yourself, follow your dream. Thank you for watching. I hope you have been inspired. My name is James Mworia, the Managing Director of Noble Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa.